Hannah. Hannah got Freya, now she drinks the water with apple cider vinegar, so she loves it. 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Her Freya is gone and she loves the taste. Hannah, Hannah,